lion pec stretch. Here's one. We're trying to open up the pecs, the front of the shoulders, the biceps, the forearms, and then all the connective tissues at the joints, the elbow, the shoulder. Almost everybody's crazy tight up here, especially where everything kind of meets right here in the shoulder and the pec, down here in the elbows. Simple as this, grab some dumbbells. Ladies, probably 5s or 10s, guys, 10s or 15s to start with. You're just gonna slowly lower these dumbbells down. You have a little bit of elbow bend to start with. And just kind of hunt around. Think about a clock. You can have your arms at about 3 and 9, maybe a little bit lower, like 4 and 8. And I'm just hunting around, hanging out. Elbows start to straighten a little bit. I'm reaching for the floor. I do not want to set the dumbbells on the floor. I want to maintain tension this entire time. Just hunting around. You're going to spend a good amount of time there, 45 seconds, maybe a minute. We get junky in here, right? Remember, we're always in this position, whether it's texting, neck down, in front. Even when you're doing manual labor, we're out in the front. So these muscles get really tight in the front. We're trying to open everything up. Give it a try. Start off with lighter weight. Emphasis on range of motion over load. Once again, once you've spent not weeks, but months of getting exposure to this movement, then you can start playing around with maybe a little bit of extra loading. When in doubt, straighten those elbows out. There you go. Little seated fly pec stretch.